Welcome back to Everyday Nuggets. Luxury vinyl plank flooring has revolutionized the modern home. This remarkable material combines the aesthetic appeal of natural materials with durability and affordability that traditional flooring can't match. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the fascinating manufacturing process that creates this innovative flooring solution. From raw materials to the finished product that graces millions of homes worldwide, the journey of luxury vinyl plank is a testament to modern engineering and design excellence. Luxury vinyl plank, or LVP, actually emerged in the 1970s as manufacturers sought to create a more realistic and durable alternative to traditional vinyl flooring. What started as a niche product has exploded into one of the fastest-growing segments of the flooring industry. With advancements in printing technology and manufacturing processes, LVP now captures the look and texture of natural materials with astonishing accuracy, while offering superior performance characteristics. Unlike its predecessor, sheet vinyl, modern LVP is constructed in layers, each serving a distinct purpose. This multi-layer construction is what sets luxury vinyl apart, providing the foundation for its remarkable durability and realistic appearance. But how exactly do manufacturers transform raw materials into these sophisticated flooring products? Let's break down the process step by step. The journey begins with the basic ingredients. At its core, luxury vinyl plank is primarily made from polyvinyl chloride, PVC, a synthetic plastic polymer derived from petroleum. This versatile material forms the foundation of vinyl flooring, providing flexibility, water resistance, and durability. But PVC alone isn't enough. Manufacturers incorporate various additives to enhance performance characteristics. Plasticizers increase flexibility and softness. Stabilizers prevent degradation from heat and light. UV inhibitors protect against fading. Pigments provide base coloration. Fillers like calcium carbonate add bulk and stability. For higher quality luxury vinyl planks, manufacturers often use virgin PVC rather than recycled materials to ensure consistent quality and performance. However, with growing environmental concerns, many manufacturers are now incorporating recycled content while maintaining high standards of quality. The manufacturing process begins with creating the core layer, which provides stability and structural integrity to the flooring. Two main types of cores dominate the market: wood plastic composite, WPC. This core combines wood pulp, PVC, and calcium carbonate. The wood fibers are processed into a fine powder and mixed with polymers and limestone. This mixture is heated, extruded, and pressed into a rigid but lightweight core that provides excellent dimensional stability and comfort underfoot. Stone plastic composite, SPC. For a more rigid and denser option, manufacturers create an SPC core by combining limestone powder, up to 60%, with PVC. This mixture undergoes intense heat and pressure to form an extremely stable and durable core layer that resists indentation and temperature fluctuations better than WPC. Both core types are engineered for exceptional water resistance, a key advantage of LVP over traditional hardwood and laminate flooring. The core material is extruded through heated rollers in a continuous process, creating sheets of the desired thickness. These sheets are then cut to specified widths in preparation for the next stage of manufacturing. With the core layer established, manufacturers turn their attention to what makes luxury vinyl plank truly luxury: its realistic appearance. The design layer is where modern technology truly shines, transforming basic vinyl into a product that convincingly mimics natural materials. Advanced digital printing technology allows manufacturers to create incredibly detailed images that replicate the look of wood, stone, or virtually any other material. High-resolution scanners capture the minute details of natural materials, the grain patterns of oak, the veining of marble, the rustic texture of reclaimed wood, producing digital files that serve as the blueprint for the design layer. Manufacturers utilize sophisticated image banks containing thousands of unique patterns, ensuring minimal repetition across planks. While AI is increasingly being implemented in flooring production, its primary roles focus on quality control, detecting surface defects, and optimizing manufacturing processes rather than real-time pattern generation. This technological precision helps eliminate the uniform repetition that once made vinyl flooring easily identifiable as artificial. After the luxury vinyl plank layers are created, manufacturers apply adhesive between the printed design layer, topped with a transparent PVC or urethane wear layer coating, and the core layer. This adhesive creates a seamless bond, ensuring that the printed pattern remains pristine throughout the flooring's lifespan. The layers are then carefully aligned and fed into a powerful press. Here, extreme heat and pressure are applied simultaneously, causing the adhesive to activate and permanently bond the layers together. This fusion process is critical, as any misalignment or weak bonding could lead to separation or peeling later in the product's life. What makes this process so fascinating is the precision required for it. Temperature and pressure must be maintained within exact parameters, often monitored by sophisticated computer systems that can make micro-adjustments in real time. Excessive heat can damage the design layer, while insufficient pressure may result in weak bonding between layers. One of the most remarkable aspects of modern luxury vinyl plank is its authentic texture. Have you ever wondered how manufacturers achieve this realistic feel? This is where embossing comes into play. After the layers are bonded together, the composite sheet passes through embossing rollers. These specialized rollers have surface patterns that correspond with the printed design below. When pressed against the still warm vinyl material, these rollers create textures that perfectly align with the visual elements of the design. For example, if the vinyl is designed to mimic oak flooring, the embossing roller will create subtle grain patterns that match exactly where the printed design shows wood grain. This synchronization between visual and tactile elements is what makes premium LVP feel remarkably similar to natural materials. The technology behind these embossing systems has advanced dramatically in recent years. Modern systems can create micro-beveled edges, simulate hand-scraped textures, or even replicate the feel of brushed metal or stone. The depth and precision of these textures directly impact the perceived quality and price point of the final product. Once the embossed vinyl sheet has cooled, it moves to the cutting phase. Large, computer-controlled cutting machines slice the continuous sheet into planks of precise dimensions. These machines utilize laser-guided systems to ensure perfect cuts. The cutting process is where manufacturers determine the final dimensions of their products. Standard luxury vinyl planks typically range from 36 to 48 inches in length and 6 to 7 3/4 inches in width. However, custom sizes are also available for specific design applications. After cutting, each plank undergoes edge treatment. For click-lock systems, specialized milling machines carve precise interlocking profiles along the edges of each plank. These profiles must be manufactured to extremely tight tolerances to ensure that the planks will fit together perfectly when installed. Even minute variations in these edge profiles can lead to installation difficulties or weak seams between planks. The final step in the production process involves applying treatments to the cut edges to protect against moisture infiltration. These edge sealants are crucial for maintaining the dimensional stability of the product, particularly in environments where humidity fluctuations are frequent. Before packaging, every luxury vinyl plank undergoes rigorous quality control inspections. Automated systems scan for visual defects in the printed layer, while dimensional testing ensures that each plank meets size specifications. Durability testing is particularly intensive. Random samples from each production run are subjected to abrasion tests, impact resistance evaluations, and chemical exposure trials. These tests simulate years of real-world use in a compressed time frame, ensuring that the product will perform as expected in consumers' homes. Once approved, the planks are carefully packaged in moisture-resistant wrapping and sturdy cardboard boxes. This packaging is designed not only to protect the product during shipping, but also to prevent moisture absorption. At the same time, the flooring acclimates to its installation environment. Thank you for watching another episode of Everyday Nuggets. If you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe for more videos. If you have suggestions for other everyday things you'd like to know about, please leave them in the comments below. Stay curious